All right. In this demo, we're going to take a look at how to use IAM for permissions management when using the console. So here we are using the cloud storage browser. And if we go to a bucket and its permissions part, scrolling down, we can see the current IAM policies available for this bucket. And these are now the kind of default permissions, which are also mirrored in the default ACLs that we saw earlier on in the previous labs. So I'm just going to quickly switch over to uniform access just to make sure that we can demo a couple of further things. But basically the way that we can work with these permissions is that we can first of all add. We can add a principal. This is a basic IAM principle, so I'm not going to go through all of the details here. This is a larger topic that you might want to study up on with regards to IAM in Google Cloud in general. But let's just add the all users principle and give it the role cloud storage object viewer. So this gives read access to GCS objects. And now we can save it. It gives us a little bit of a pop-up of allowing, of whether we're really sure that we want to make something publicly accessible. Yes, we are. And now it has updated the policy. And now we can see at the bottom of the page here that we've added the all users principle with the role storage object viewer, right? This is as we planned it. We can also view the permissions based on the role. So this way we can see, who are the owners, and we only have one viewer, which happens to be this all users part. We can delete the principle from here directly, or then select it and then remove via this button. And now I'm just going to remove it again as well. One further thing that we can do is if I would add myself as a principal here and give myself a role, storage viewer, I can also add a condition. Now note that these conditions, these are only available if we have activated the ACLs previously. So this is the thing that we did just a second ago. If ACLs are available, then conditions are not available with IAM permissions. Can put in my condition, and I'm just going to put something here. Let's say that this is only available on Mondays, in Finland, right? These IAM conditions are, again, a totally own topic, something that you need to look up in the documentation or take a look at the separate course regarding IAM. And now we can save this. Save. And now if you take a look at the policies, we can see the condition is highlighted here in the role, and we can see that we have this permission. If we take a look at it from the principal's point of view, we can similarly see that we have the role storage object viewer, and we have conditions currently active on this. I'm going to delete this. I'm also going to move the access control back to fine-grained, adding back the ACLs. And that's how we use IAM with GCS.